Hello children, a very cheerful morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Okay children, as you all know your summative assessment is going to start from 21st April 2020-21. Children, today I am going to take English revision class for your summative assessment too. Are you all ready with the 4-line book? Yes, come on children, take out your 4-line book. Children, you have already learned in the previous class. Today I am going to revise you once. Children, I am going to teach you from the June portion paper to February portion paper month. Okay children, are you all ready? Yes, look at the board everyone. Look at the board children. Pattern writing. Pattern writing. Dots. So you have to place the dots like this. Okay children. Dots. Standing line. How you have to write the standing line? Like this you have to write the standing line. Next is sleeping line. And next is sleeping line. You have to write sleeping line. Left slanting line. Left slanting. How you have to write left slanting line? Left slanting line. Okay? And the right slanting line. Up curve. Up curve. And next is down curve. Down curve. Left curve. How you have to write the left curve? Like this you have to write left curve. Right curve. Right curve. Zigzag. Zigzag. So, now you understood how to read and write pattern writing. Okay children, practice this. Children, let us revise once again. Dots. You have to place the dots like this. Next is standing line, sleeping line, left slanting line, right slanting line, up curve, down curve, left curve, right curve, zigzag. Understood children? Hello children, now I am going to teach you capital letters. Already you have learned the capital letters. I hope you all know the capital letters, how to read and write. Let us revise once. Look at the board everyone. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Children, and the next line I am going to teach you what comes after. What comes after? Now you have to write after letter for the given letter. So which letter is this? Yes, tell me children. Yes, good. A letter, capital letter A. So here you can see the capital letter A. I have given the blank here. So A after the letter what comes? Yes, B. Letter B you have to write. Here you can see letter P. So P after blank is there. Look at the board here. P after letter Q. So write letter Q. And next letter is capital letter S. So S after, here you can see the blank. So S after letter is T. So write letter T. So here I have given the M letter, no children, capital letter M. So here you can see dash. Look at the alphabet here, M after. Which letter is this? Yes, letter N. So write letter N. So what comes before letter you have to write. The next line is what comes before letter you have to write. So here you can see the blank. The letter I have given D, capital letter D. So D before letter you have to identify. D before letter is C. Write letter C. So H before letter is, look at here, H before letter is G. Write letter G. Here I have given letter K. So K before letter is, look at the board here, K before letter is J. Write letter J. And here you can see letter P, you have blank. So identify. P before letter is O. P before letter is O. Right? Letter O. So now you come to know what comes before letter, how to write. So what comes in between letter? M letter, that is capital letter M, blank, and you can see capital letter O. So in between the letter is missing. So look at the board here, M, N, O. So in between letter is letter N, capital letter N. Look at the board, children. Here you can see capital letter Q dash S. So here blank you have to write. What you have to write? In between letter you have to write no. So Q R S. The in between letter is R. Write letter R. A blank C. So you have to write in between letter. Look at the board here. Identify A B C. The in between letter is B. Write letter B. So this is how you have to write in between letters. Children, you have learned capital letters now. So now you are going to, children, you have learned capital letters. So now you are going to learn small letters from A to Z. Look at the board, children. Small A, small B, small C, small D, small E, small F, small G, small H, small I, small J, small K, small L, small M, small N, small O, small P, small Q, small R, small S, small T, small U, small V, small W, small X, small Y and small Z. Look at here, write capital letters for the small letters. Now I am going to teach you how to write capital letters for the small letters. Here I have given small letters, isn't it, children? So you have to write capital letters. A. So how you here you can see small letter A, no? So here you can see small letter A, no? You have to write capital letter A. Write capital letter A, that is big letter A. And you can see small letter D. Write capital letter D, that is big letter D. Small letter, yes, E. So you have to write capital letter E, like this. And next letter is small letter G, right? Capital letter G. And next letter is small letter H. So you have to write capital letter H. In this way, you have to write capital letters for the small letters. Children, next I am going to teach you write the missing letters. So here some letters are missing. You have to identify and write the missing letters. So look at the alphabet here. This are small letters alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Here you can see the letter K, no, children. So some letters are missing, no. From K letters, K dash M dash O dash Q dash S dash. Look at here, children. K, L, L letter is missing. I'm writing L here. Next letter is M. You can see M here. And N. So N letter is missing here. M, N. Next letter is O. You can see O here. And which letter is missing here? P. Right letter P. Q. Q next letter is missing. Look at here. Q next letter is R. Right? Small letter R. And next letter is S. You can see here. One letter is missing. So S after which letter is missing there? Yes, T letter is missing here. So I am writing letter T. So in this way you have to write missing letters. And next circle the first letter of the picture. So here some pictures are given. In the box I have given letters. So you have to identify correct letter for the picture and you have to circle. Okay children, which picture is this? Yes, very good, cat. So look at here. Here I have given the letters no. So you have to identify the correct letter. So D for cat it will come. No, no. So C for cat. So circle the letter C. So here you can see ball. So F for ball is correct. No, no. Yes. B for ball. So you have to circle letter B. Here you can see picture rose. Rose picture you can see, no children. So here you have to identify the correct letter. Yes, R. R for rose. And next picture is orange. So O for orange. Here you can see letter O. Circle the first letter of the picture. O for orange. Children, and the next way I am going to teach you ovals. I have taught you in the previous class. Now come on, tell me children, how many ovals are there in English alphabet? Yes. A, E, I, O, U. So how many ovals are there? 5 ovals. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 ovals in English alphabet. Look at the alphabet here children. A, E, I, O, U. So these are ovals. And remaining letters are consonants. That is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These letters are consonant letters. So how many vowels are there? There are 5 vowels and 21 letters are consonants. That is, consonants are B, C, D, F. Look at your children. G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. So these are consonants. So how many letters are there in consonants? There are 21 letters. Shall we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Understood, children? Name the ovals. You have to write 5 oval letters. If I give you name the ovals, you have to write the 5 oval letters, that is A, E, I, O, U. And next is consonants. So remaining letters are consonants, that is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. I hope you all understood the vowels and consonants, children. And next I am going to teach you write the rhyming words. Already I have taught you the rhyming words in the previous class. So here I have given word H-E-N, hen. So the letters ending with the two letters ending with the same sound is known as rhyming words. So hen, you have to write pen. Rhyming word you have to write hen, pen, P-E-N, pen. Come on, tell me, children. H-E-N, hen, P-E-N, pen. Hen, pen. And the next word is net. N-E-T, net. Net, pet. So here you can see the same letters ending with the same sound. So N-E-T, net, P-E-T, pet. N-E-T, net, P-E-T, pet. Next word is boy. B-O-Y, boy. T-O-Y, toy. Boy, toy. B-O-Y, boy. T-O-Y, toy. And the next word is pig. P-I-G, pig. So you have to write rhyming word F-I-G, fig. Pig, fig. P-I-G, pig. F-I-G, fig. So here you can see same I and G letter, that is ending with the same sound I and G. So this is where you have to write rhyming words. Next is tip. T-I-P, tip. So you have to write L-I-P, lip. Tip, lip. T-I-P, tip. L-I-P, lip. Once again I will teach you. H-E-N, hen. P-E-N, pen. Hen, pen. N-E-T, net. P-E-T, pet. Net, pet. B-O-Y, boy. T-O-Y, toy. Boy, toy. P-I-G, pig. F-I-G, fig. Pig, fig. Tip, lip. T-I-P, tip. L-I-P, lip. Children, I hope you all understood today's English revision class. Be learning kids for your summative assessment too. All the best. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you in the next class.